Use a non-toxic tacky resin barrier around pot rims to stop ants without pesticides. Resin barrier ant products work by providing a sticky physical barrier that interrupts ant trails and prevents crawling pests from reaching plant foliage or soil surfaces. Choose a low viscosity resin that remains tacky at room temperature and is labeled for outdoor use on pots and glazed surfaces to avoid staining or deterioration. Apply a thin continuous bead around the pot rim using a disposable tool or spreader, then smooth it so there are no gaps where ants can crawl through. Keep the bead about 1/4 to 1/2 inch wide for effective coverage while limiting contact with water runoff. Maintain the barrier by inspecting weekly and removing trapped debris and dust with a gloved finger or a soft stick. Then replace the resin when it loses tackiness or becomes cluttered with material. Combine the barrier with dry surface treatments like diatomaceous earth on the soil perimeter to reduce worker traffic and with good sanitation practices such as removing fallen petals and food residues that attract ants. Protect plant stems by masking them with tape or a thin strip of plastic before applying resin near the collar, and avoid letting resin contact tender bark or soft tissue which can be damaged. If contact occurs, gently cleanse the area with warm water and mild soap. For potted arrangements moved outdoors seasonally, test the resin on a small, inconspicuous area first and reapply after heavy rain or routine pot cleaning to ensure continuous protection. Common issues include dust and debris accumulation, which reduces effectiveness, so replace the resin when it forms a gritty layer, not when it is still clean and tacky. Another frequent problem is accidental contact with plant stems, which can injure tissue. Prevent this by creating a small physical spacer or temporarily elevating the stem away from the rim during application. Third, using a resin that becomes brittle in cold weather or runs in heat causes failure. Choose a product rated for the typical ambient temperature range, where the pots sit and store spare resin at moderate indoor temperatures to preserve consistency. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and discover product recommendations related to pest control and container gardening. And we provide a discussion community where gardeners and DIYers share practical tips and real-world experiences with resin barrier ant approaches. We also help contractors find work by giving them visibility with homeowners seeking hands-on installation or consultation for non-toxic pest management projects.